In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private listing on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, understanding how to create a private listing can help protect the identity of your buyers, giving both you and them an extra layer of privacy and security. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for eBay. Once you've entered eBay into the search bar, click on the first result that appears. This should take you directly to the eBay homepage. Now, in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a small Sign In button. We'll click here to log into your eBay account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one to proceed with listing items. Once logged in, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen for My eBay. There's a small arrow next to it. Click it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Selling. This will take you to your eBay selling dashboard where you can manage all your current listings and drafts. From here, click on Drafts to open all the listings you've started but haven't yet posted. Find the draft you want to turn into a private listing and click Resume Draft. Doing this opens the draft listing where you can continue editing before posting it live. Now scroll down until you find the pricing section of your draft. Here, click on See Pricing Options. This is an important step because it will provide access to various listing customization features. One of these features is the ability to turn on a private listing. You'll find the option to enable this as you navigate through the additional pricing options. Check the box to activate it. Having a private listing means that buyer identities are kept anonymous from other eBay users, which can be particularly useful for high-profile items or for buyers who value their privacy. This small step can make a big difference in the quality and discretion of your transaction. After enabling the private listing option, review your draft details to ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with your listing details, click the List It button. This will post your item live on eBay while keeping your buyer's information confidential. And there you have it. The process of making a private listing on eBay is straightforward once you know where to look. By following these steps, you can ensure your listing is secure and respects the privacy of your buyers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your eBay experience. Happy selling!